Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
35 innocent souls were lost. Ọlọ́run ní jí kárírú ẹ̀ mọ́ ní Ọ̀yọ́ State o. Quite a number of people, they've been reaching out to me, saying, "Oh, this thing happened in Anambra State. It happened also FCT. Nobody went to jail. Why is it in Oyo State that some people are going to jail?" I said, well, Oyo State is not Anambra State. And no matter how highly placed, justice must be done. Judiciary 1B, it's in their court. If you think you can grant bail pending the trial, I don't have anything against it. But trial, the people must go on trial. So people come to me, and I've been saying to them, Oyo State, even if this entire country decides not to follow the rule of law, Oyo State, we will follow, we will dare to be different.